Hey, so I'm just going to give a quick overview of Rocketgraph. So you can create a project on Rocketgraph, and the first project is always free, and you'd have to pay for the second project. So let's get into the first project. Now you can see all the AWS services that are activated on my project, and every project comes with a Hasura console and a Postgres database. So you can access your Hasura console here, and you can open your Hasura console link here. Hasura basically GraphQLizes your Postgres database and gives you an easy way to manage your data, your permissions, and GraphQL Explorer and things like that. So let's go ahead and check out data. Now with Rocket Graph instance, you always get a users table for free as well as authentication built in. So you don't have to write that yourself. So let's go ahead and check out how to use this authentication. So I've written a detailed documentation about authentication over here, which is to create a simple to-dos app using Create React app. Now I already have a Create React app set up. So let's go ahead and create a users table, a to-dos table. So here we have a to-dos table and frequently used columns. So this is the good thing about Hasura is that everything is like pre-built. So you can just do a created act without having to go through the hassle and name, which is of type text. And now this user ID is sort of like a foreign key used to track which to-do belongs to which user. So here I have the ID created and I've added the table. Now, as I have described in the article, I would have to also manage permissions by creating a user role so that uh, users only with access to a particular to-do can access that. Now, this is important where we preset the column ID, which is provided by Rocketgraph JavaScript SDKs again. So we automatically provide the user ID from the JWT token. So let's save permissions so that the user ID is automatically inserted. And we have to write a custom check. So where user ID equals X Hasura user ID and allow that person to have access to all the to-dos. Now we have to-dos table ready, and as described in the article, next we have to do a create React app. Now I already have the create React app running, and with the minimal configuration, like with the base URL, which is already provided here in the Rocket Graph console, um, by the way, Rocket Graph comes with AWS RDS. So here's the Postgres SQL connection string if you want to PSQL into that. And this is the backend URL which you can use to authenticate your users. So once you configure your app with these two URLs and the Hasura console URL, you're good to go. So let's refresh the app and let's try creating a user. Let's say test at the rate test.com and password is say test. So I just signed up and user is created automatically. This is provided by Rocket Graph again, where we provide built-in authentication. So you can just call a method and let's create a to-do, say test. And yeah, the to-do is created. And as you can see, the to-do appears over here. Now there is some more in-depth usage for Rocket Graph, which I've clearly written in the docs. So, but this is kind of like the basic usage. So, yeah, thank you.